fights. It's Bodoland FC versus Punjab FC, a Group D clash where stakes are high. Welcome to a battle of heart versus heritage. It's match number 29 of the 134th edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup. A top spot is on the line. Steady rain here in Kokrajhar, temperature 28 degree with humidity close to 82%. The pitch will be slick, passes will zip along faster, and those first touches will have to be spot on here. So the grass is green, the stage is set, and across the white line stand two teams with everything to play for. It's Bodoland FC versus Punjab. Let the magic unfold. From the thunderous chants of Bodoland to the battle cries of Punjab, tonight we witness a duel of dreams driven by pride, purpose and passion. He can't find a way through. Oh, given away. There's the step over. Still holding on to the ball. And the cross takes a wicked deflection. And the keeper almost caught off guard. That has rattled the crossbar, Henry.
Three players in front of him tries to just go and whip that ball, and whipped it in such a way that even the goalkeeper just could not keep his control there.
Kipgen with the ball in. Didom Hazouari, the captain, who clears it. It's back in once more, and Preston Rebello from distance skied over the top.
To take a little more responsibility and keep his focus on that, because you have to understand the ground, you have to understand the conditions there.
It's Jijam Sargamari laying it up for Junior outside the area. Straight at Ravi Kumar. Kipgen between the lines. Quick passing from Punjab. Back to Kipgen. Into the safe pair of hands of Birkhang Daimari.
Couldn't keep that balance to curve that ball onto the wide of the goalkeeper. Straight lands in the arms of the goalkeeper.
To take the throw in. Short run up. Good distance. Comfortably cleared. Chesting it down. There's the Cameroonian. On the turn, Robinson took it on the rise. Wasn't on target.
Keeps himself in the onside position. First timer over there. Just couldn't keep that angle right for him.
Chance for a counter. Pranjal. Left three behind. Pranjal wins it clean. That was Kipgen all the way towards the left back position.
But look at that. Referee doesn't like back chatting, and lunged in unnecessary to get that one. Look at that. That was a push from behind, definitely.
Chance for Bodoland FC, the home team, to get the crowd off their seat. Pedro with a teasing ball towards the back post. Just evades a couple of pink shirts.
Brilliant work there for Pedro.
Lungdim swings one in. Defended quite comfortably by the Ghanaian. First touch for Sanathoi. Was looking for Leon Augustin. And now across the face of goal. Goodness me. How close was that?
Super here over here. The action was good. The aggressiveness in the attack.
Kipgen hung up towards the back post. Pramveer was interested. Out of play. It was difficult to miss from that sort of a range, Henry. Manabir Basmatari. A shot from outside the box. Might be one more. A good save from the goalkeeper. Came through a crowd of players. Never easy, but Ravi Kumar pulled off a good save.
It just brings that save so beautifully.
And every time the home team gets to the ball, a loud cheer from the crowd. The keeper comes out, caught off guard, and Robinson is still on for Bodoland. Hint of handball. Problems for Punjab.
Yep.
Just asking the referee to brandish a red card.
No, it's not necessary to show a red card because the goalkeeper was out of his box. And like any other player, that could have been a handball. And that's the reason why the yellow card was up.
One deep breath. And Robinson! Not on target. Good pace, but wasn't goalwards. And now stepping in, the captain, Didam Hazwari. Decent build-up from BODOLAND and Pranjal Bromwich. Once again clatters the woodwork. Great individual brilliance. Off the crossbar, a big let-off for Punjab. Again, couldn't find that pass. He's asking for a handball, Robinson. And a yellow card flashed. That's Pramveer pleading his innocence. They're trying to get in behind. They're claiming for a corner. Junior.
Can that be one quality pass?
Can this bring a surprise? And Robinson finds the target. Deadlock broken. Eruption in the stands. BODOLAND FC. They go 1-0 ahead in a must-win encounter against Punjab. Inch-perfect ball in from Pedro. And the dynamic duo combines to break the deadlock. Goals in back-to-back games for the Colombian. A colossal header, getting the better of his marker and finding the back of the net. Building up from the far side is Sanatoy from the byline towards the far post. And somehow that hasn't gone in, Henry. Pranjal. Too strong for that challenge, Mohammad Uwais. Just getting his body in between the man and the ball. Excellent shielding. Pramveer. Cut off nicely. And there goes the full-time whistle. What a performance. The underdogs have howled louder than ever. BODOLAND FC have sterned the big guns and announced their arrival on the grandest stage. A new chapter in Indian football is written. BODOLAND FC defy the odds and leave the field not just as winners, but as warriors of belief.
Sarang gedeng-gedeng nih Raja Bermansur ayo BODOLAND FC ni ini kelana nih ini ya Duran Cup. Bicara lu jauh kan? Lu boleh.